Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to send fake live location on WhatsApp on an iPhone. If you have an Android device, then faking WhatsApp location is quite easy. There are lots of free apps like Fake GPS by Alexa available on the Play Store to fake WhatsApp location on Android. But you wouldn't find such apps on the App Store if you are an iOS user. There are few apps on the App Store that claims to modify your GPS location, but the ones I tried didn't work. So in this YouTube video, I'll show you how you can share fake live location on WhatsApp while using an iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. Before going further, let me show you my current location on Apple Maps so that you won't say it's a fake video. Jokes apart, I'm near the Town Square place in New Jersey. Now, let's change the GPS location of my device. I'm going to use a computer utility to modify my GPS location, and that location will reflect on the WhatsApp Messenger app as well. It works with both iOS and Android. You can always check the description to get more details. After launching the app, connect your iPhone to your computer via USB cable, and the app will instantly recognize it. Just make sure you are connected to the internet and not running any VPN app on your computer. You need to use the teleport mode of the app if you want to send fake one-time location on WhatsApp using your iPhone. Simply type the desired location or coordinates in the address bar and hit the Move button. This is all you have to do to modify the location on your iPhone. You can share this fake location on WhatsApp using your iPhone even after disconnecting your iPhone from the computer. As you can see, WhatsApp is showing my current location near Brooklyn or Manhattan Bridge. You can send this fake location to your any WhatsApp contact. Now, I will show you how to send fake live location on WhatsApp while using an iPhone. This can be done with the multi or 2 points mode of the app. These modes help you simulate your GPS location on a predefined path. I'm adding Brooklyn Bridge as my first stop. You can add a different city or even a different country as your destination. My next stop would be Central Park. By the way, this is a place where you can check all the past locations you have entered on this app. Here you can set different speed like you are riding a bike or driving a car. If you select the realistic mode, then the software would automatically increase and decrease your speed to make it look more real. Finally, hit the Move button to modify your real-time location. You will notice that the location marker is moving. Now, I will send this fake live location to my second WhatsApp account. Just check that, my location is changing even when I'm sitting in front of my computer. Now let me quickly open the WhatsApp conversation on my secondary device. This is where I sent the fake live location using my iPhone. My real-time location is updating here as well, which means it is working. Please note that a restart is required to bring back the real location on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily fake your live location on WhatsApp Messenger using an iPhone. I hope you will like this video. Please do like this video and share it with your friends. I will see you soon.